Question number 1. What is BVERDE GP790L? So, BVERDE GP790L is a modified polysaccharide hybrid biopolymer for laundry applications. Compatible with standard detergent formulations, this anti-redeposition polymer acts as a helper bee, and it helps the surfactant system in your detergent perform more efficiently. Next question. What is anti-redeposition, and why does it matter in laundry? When you do a load of washing, the surfactants in your detergent, they're the stars of the show. They're the ones who lift stains and tackle soils. Anti-redeposition polymers, they're more of the supporting actors. They don't remove soils directly themselves, but they do help keep the soils that have been removed from redepositing back onto the fabric by keeping dirt and grime suspended in water. Question number 3. What kind of anti-redeposition technologies exist in the market right now? So the most common are acrylate-based synthetic polymers. These polymers perform well, but they're made out of non-renewable feedstocks. On the other hand, you have cellulose derivatives, which are greener alternatives for anti-redeposition. However, traditionally, they haven't performed as well as their petrochemical-based counterparts. Last question. What benefits does BVERDE offer? My favorite question. So BVERDE offers a powerful sustainability story. Not only is it readily biodegradable, but it's also 79% bio-based. BVERDE offers performance parity compared to both green and synthetic market incumbents, so you can achieve anti-redeposition without compromising sustainability.